Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have created a repository of all the official IELTS books on my Facebook group. These books, as you can see on the screen, have been blurred because of the copyrights issue, but I hope you got which books I'm talking about. Yes, so these books aren't available online anywhere on any website, but I have made it possible. The links for both general training and academic books, right from book 1 till 14, are available in my Facebook group. I will quickly proceed to the second part of the video where I have shown how to download these books. So let's proceed. So this is the interface of my Facebook group, and the link of this group is provided in the description of the video. Once you click on the link, you will be asked one question, which is to write your email address in the answer. Now post that the admin will approve and you will be the member of the group. You will see that there's one post that is visible on your screen that has been pinned, and it contains all the links to the official books, right from 1 till 14 for both academic and general training. Now I will show you the process to download these books by clicking one of the links from these 4 links provided. These are basically for both the kinds of preparation, which is academic and general training. So I'm clicking on link 1. Now as you can see, this is the Mega Drive folder, and I have created folders right from book 1 till 10 in this folder. Now you have to click on these 3 dots and right click so that you get this option of download. You can see this download as zip and standard download. Standard download actually downloads all your files separately, so avoid that. Go to download as zip. Once you click on that, the complete file will be downloaded as a zip folder. It will contain both your audio as well as PDF. Now, the rest of the links, like the third link, which is the audio files, this is only for 11 to 14 academic books, because in the second link you will see only the PDFs being there for books 11 to 14. So I'm clicking on it, and as you can see, there are 4 folders. They contain only the PDFs, right? Now when I go to link third, that contains the audio files for those 4 folders. These are the listening tests, guys, the audios for the listening tests. So you can again right click and click on download. All the audios will be downloaded. Now the fourth link is the general training books, and it has book 11 to 14. Those are the only books that I had, and they also contain the PDFs and the audio files. You're really going to thank me for this. Just kidding. Share this video with as many people as possible to help them, and do not leave before subscribing my channel.